I wonder how the weather changed so surprisingly. It was so hot a few hours back. Well, I think it's time to visit my favorite place. And that's none other than St. Andrew's Beach. I don't know how many of you must have heard about it, but it's a very quiet and calm beach in Trivandrum. Would you like to join me? Well, then let's go. The St. Andrews Beach is around 9 kilometers from my house and it's almost 17 kilometers from Trivandrum International Airport. This is the sports hub, also called the Greenfield International Stadium. It is India's first DBOT model outdoor stadium. This is the Kinfra International Apparel Park. We're passing by the St. Dominic's Church and the St. Xavier's College. This is the St. Andrew's Church. This is my relative's house and the beach is somewhat near this. Pinto, County. Hey guys, we've reached the St. Andrew's Beach. It's my favorite place as I get answers to many questions right here. It shows me how small we are in comparison to the wide horizon. Life isn't as complicated as we think. Now it's time for us to return home. I'm finally back home after a long and beautiful day, and these 4 pizzas right here in front of me are tempting me so much and they smell so good, so I'm gonna have them.